Okay, so what's the most exciting things today you have?
We got to frolic around for a bit.
Yeah.
Frolic around, and
Yep.
how did that happen?
We were just kind of hanging out, and then all of a sudden, Captain Jack Bean, Parrot, I mean.
Jack Bean?
Jack Bean.
Oh, that's
Sorry,
the next cousin.
that's your other cousin.
All right.
Captain Jack Parrot kind of popped in out of nowhere and started frolicking all over the place.
Yeah.
And we were just kind of rolling in the deep with it out.
And what the hell happened earlier?
Oh, I got bit. Right about there.
Keep exactly the same thing that we were. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, that's great. So you can just zoom in down there. That's good. Okay? That's good. And what happened there?
I got bit.
What happened? Who bit you? Maybe Picasso?
No.
No. Who bit you?
Guilty.
Give me a charge. Why? Because you're so hungry for the flesh. What?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Flesh and brains. I gotta have flesh.
Right. Can you try a little taste? How is it like the flesh? Okay, zoom close up to here. You can come inside. Yeah. All right.
Pretty
Now,
good.
yeah, pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good. Let me taste it. What it tastes like. Yeah, really tastes good. Next time you can try that 2 for 1. Okay. All right. So now we're talking about little piece zoom up and down. One little bit of forceps action here. Yeah. So what is a zombie capsize for the right thing so they can move around and fight people?
Whatever fits it.
Yeah. Yeah, you know that about 70 to 85% of the zombie wear the wrong size zombie bra.
No way. Really?
Yes.
Go to Winners. Just saying, go to Winners. It's $15 for like a bra.
No,
Actual decent bra.
You need a personal consultant to find the right one. Why?